Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things, and here we are with number, I don't know now, 1, 2, 3, number 4, and this one is a 4x4 card. There's going to be a couple of 4x4 cards, this one and tomorrow's, and this one I've made using a 4x4 Whisper White base from Stampin Up. So that's an 8x4 folded on the long side at 4, sorry about that. So that's 10.2 squared, and then obviously that's 20.3, 20.4, and then divided into 2. I think I need new cutters. Then I've got a bit of silver mirror paper, which came from this solid silver stack that I've probably shown you before. This is by DCWV. Not quite sure who they are. And then I've got this gorgeous DSP. The only reason, this is a full piece under here, the only reason I'm not sort of showing you it is because it just glares up because it's so mirrory. So that's an 1/8 of an inch smaller than the card base. An 1/8 of an inch is sort of 0.2 of a centimetre, 0.3 of a centimetre, 3 millimetres. And then I've got this gorgeous Tonic Studios paper, which I just absolutely love. And it had so many colours for me to pick out, you know, the purples, the different greens, the different sort of muted reds. There's even corals in there, so there's lots of different colours for me to bring out. There's like a really jadey or cucumbery green there, which Call Me Clover could probably go with. So lots of those. So I chose to go with the animal. This is Total Tropical. I can't remember which DSP this is. I'll annotate it here. But I chose to go with that, and I used a scalloped framelit from the Layering Squares from Stampin Up. So that's got a slight scallop on it, and that's the sort of a lime green. And then I've gone with a I think this is a rose red square, and this is 2 1/8 square, so that's 5.3 centimetres. And then I've gone with a 1 3/4 inch, which is 4.5 centimetres, Whisper White. I've edged it with Perfect Plum ink, and then I've stamped it using Avant Garden stamp set with Perfect Plum for happy birthday wishes. So I've used Retired, Current, Stampin Up, Tonic, DCWV, lots of different brands. Okay, so I'm going to just layer all those together now, and let's see how it all turns out. There we go, so it's just like a tag that's been tied on there. I love that, with the mirror edge and the lovely colours. It's a really simple card, but it's very pretty. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you come back for tomorrow's card, which is slightly less colourful. But it is the same size, and it also does use the mirror as well. Okay, so I'll see you then. Bye bye.